I'll be showing a very simple recipe using chayote. It's a very simple curry which can be eaten as is, and I'll be spicing it with bird eye chili. This is spicy chili, but very good for your digestion, and it doesn't create any acidity or anything, and you can taste this chili, and it is very distinct, has a distinct flavor. This is a very simple recipe, has neutral taste, but it soaks up all the flavors that you add into it, and it is an excellent side dish, or you can just eat it as is with a little bit of yogurt. The technique for this is it has some stickiness in it which you need to remove, and for that you just cut like this and give it a nice rub. And can you see this sticky white thing? You can wash it off, or you can just scrape it off. I just usually wash it off. And cut it into quarter. Don't have to peel. Make it as easy as possible so that you can incorporate more veggies and less work. Just remove the pit. You can actually eat the seed too, but it might have some bad taste, so just cut it. I'm making basic curry. So this is what I have in my masala dabba. For any South Indian cooking, must is brown mustard. This is lentil. This is split chickpeas and cumin, chili powder, and these are bird eye chili, dried, and Asafetida. And basic herbs that I use are curry leaves and cilantro. Add some oil. Make sure oil is very hot before you add mustard, because it has to pop for it to release all the flavor. See, now it is popping, and you can add, these are all optional, but cumin and mustard is a must. And you can crush bird eye chili, and I'm adding a piece of Asafetida, and in goes curry leaves, and I'm adding the vegetables. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and let it cook for, at low temperature, let it cook for about probably 20 minutes until it is well done.